Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This vehicle has done just under 29,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, navigation, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.